It's me after getting off running southbound. It's me after getting off running southbound.
Welcome to your MVPD monthly update, where we highlight a few notable cases from this past month. On the morning of the 7th, officers contacted someone who had set up camp on clearly marked private property. When approached, he declined to identify himself or leave his camp.
I wasn't camping.
Eventually, though, he emerged, only to bolt the moment officers tried to take him into custody, and in doing so, slapped the officer in the face. After a brief sprint through the neighborhood and transit station, officers caught up and took him into custody.
Green jacket, black kid, we're on the tracks with him.
If this is all sounding vaguely familiar, that's because it is. This is the same individual we profiled in April for overturning trash cans and fleeing from officers back then, too. This time around, he racked up charges for criminal trespass, resisting arrest, his outstanding warrants, and 2 counts of assault in the 3rd degree, as he also assaulted a corrections deputy at the jail. Later that week, on the 12th, officers responded to the 3000 block of East College Way after someone reported a possible drug use in a parked vehicle. Sure enough, they arrived to find a woman mid-attempt with a needle in her arm.
Yeah. Hey, okay, you need to step out of the car, okay? Step out of the car, ma'am. Can you put the needle on top of the car for me? Just leave it there.
She was arrested for use of a controlled substance in public. While responding to a trespass complaint, officers found a subject passed out in a vehicle.
Is somebody in here?
With a bottle of nitrous oxide nestled between his feet.
You good?
When asked to exit the vehicle, he instead, like the guy earlier, took off running. And just like the earlier guy, he didn't get far and was taken into custody. Once detained, officers found a loaded high-capacity pistol magazine in his pocket. Inside the vehicle, 2 bottles of flavored nitrous oxide, rifle rounds, and a fully loaded handgun that matched the magazine he was carrying. The 16-year-old was charged with obstruction. 432 East. We're back on the main line. 428.7 eastbound. What's your speed on broken to the traffic station? Seven 449 to 37 for termination of pursuit at terminate the pursuit 37. We're not going to city.
Get the fuck out! Get the fuck! Get out! Get out! Go away. Dude, get out! Get out! Get out! Get the fuck out! 7415 Buffalo. Shots fired.
What's your location?
Get out of here! Get out of here! Washington. Washington and Eagle. Shots fired. Send an ambulance. Driver's been hit. I'm fine.
Quarter 745, you copy?
Oh, you dumbass.
What's your location? They're going to be on Washington and Eagle. Quarter 745, you copy?
Yeah. No.
745 Buffalo, copy en route.
Is this the one you're chasing?
Yeah. He's dead.
Yep. Just one?
Yep.
So you're okay?
Yeah, I'll be good.
Okay.
7415 Buffalo.
What's your location? They're going to be on Washington and Eagle. Quarter 745, you copy?
Yeah. No.
745 Buffalo, copy en route.
Is this the one you're chasing?
Yeah. He's dead.
Yep. Just one?
Yep.
So you're okay?
Yeah, I'll be good.
Okay.
7415 Buffalo.
What's your location? They're going to be on Washington and Eagle. Quarter 745, you copy?